In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Zip Pay in Australia. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to set up Zip Pay and how you can use it to buy now and pay later. So, Zip is a buy now pay later service where you will be able to purchase items online or in physical locations and manage the payments on your account activity. So the main way to use it is going to be through the mobile app. Even if you don't plan to use it online, I still highly recommend getting the app because in here you can manage your activity so you can see how much you are spending and so on. Through the app, you will have the shop tab at the bottom. So if you go over to shop, you can see a lot of stores where you are able to use Zip Pay directly. So most of these will allow you to choose Zip Pay when you are on checkout. So when you go to checkout, there will be the option to pay using Zip Pay. If this is the case, all that you have to do is sign in with your account, and these cases are going to be the most straightforward ones. You can also use the search function. Now, sometimes specific places might not have Zip at checkout. The best way to check is to choose a specific store where you want to make a purchase, and then tap the Pay with Zip function. When you open any of these stores, you will see them on screen. So for example, AliExpress, and then you can browse through the items as usual. And once you add all the items to your basket, if you tap this button, Pay with Zip, at the bottom of your screen, it is either going to tell you that you can just select Zip at checkout or that you will have to generate a card. If you can just select Zip at checkout, just proceed and you will sign in with your account to pay for this purchase. It will go into your account activity and you can manage the payments later. Alternatively, it is going to prompt you to generate a single-use card. So in this case, Zip is not accepted as a default payment method. So if you go over to the Pay tab or it redirects you here, you will choose the option to generate a single-use card, or you can select any of these additional functions, such as paying bills, buying gift cards, protecting purchase, and paying subscriptions. In here, you can generate a single-use card. You will see the funds that you have available to spend, and then you can generate the card details. So essentially, you will be given the card number, expiration date, and security code, just like any other bank card. Then you can proceed online and choose the credit card or debit card option to finish making your purchase. If you switch over to In-Store, this will actually allow you to add this card to Google Pay or Apple Pay. And if your phone has NFC capabilities, you will be able to use proximity payments. So you physically place your phone on the card reader and it is going to be using this card to issue that payment. Then it goes into your activity for you to manage later. Alternatively, you can also generate a barcode or scan a QR code if you are having trouble getting the card to work on the card reader. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Zip Pay Australia. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.